video. Today we're going to do a contour, how to contour and how to highlight. Beginners 101. This is another part to this. I'm going to put the description of the other video that I did create. So this one is like a more updated version, and it's definitely for beginners because I do my makeup differently now. Okay, so if you see me looking this way, it's because I'm looking at my mirror that's like right here. So let's go ahead and jump into this video. It's gonna be quick, it's gonna be simple, and I'm gonna try to do this in 10 minutes. Get these gummies, like they are bomb. It's detox and cleanse apple cider vinegar gummies, and it helps energize and helps to detox and supports weight loss, and it is bomb. I'm gonna put the description of the Amazon link that I got it at, and they look like this. They're so good. Anyway, so I'm gonna put on my matte and poreless since it's already there. Get you a damp beauty blender. Still using that in 2022. For beginners 101, I want to make sure that you guys aren't putting foundation underneath the eyes, and you'll figure out why. Actually, I'm gonna do my eyebrows quickly, and then I'll be back. Okay, so the eyebrows are done. We're gonna go back over the face with some foundation. That's where we're gonna go ahead and get into concealing. Okay, hopefully you guys can see that. Anyways, everything will be in the description box down below if you really want to know. So for beginners, remember I said don't put foundation underneath your eyes for this reason. I remember when, like, back in the day, we used to do like a whole glob of freaking concealer, looking a hot mess. About that much. Put like a little dot right there, and y'all see how it's kind of bright up there? This is why you put concealer up here. I'm gonna go in with this brush right here, and I'm going to, you know, brush this out. Y'all might be like, dang, it's so light underneath your eye, but like, just wait. How y'all like it? Okay, so far. And I'm gonna go back in and do my chin. So this is the powder right here. Everything description box below if you really want to know. This is what it looks like. Boom, looking good, looking good. Anyways, so now we're gonna go ahead and get into the contour, you guys. This video is like very fast because I'm so used to doing it now, so it's just like get it done. I'm like using this this dark colorway, this big jumbo brush, dip it in there. See how that looks, and start brushing right here. I feel like something is wrong with my forehead, but we can fix it. I have a session at 2:30, so I'm trying to like carry the business. Giving very it looks like it needs to be blended out up here. We're gonna get on to the nose, and you guys, we're not done with this big old brush. I know it has like chocolate, but we're gonna do like some rosiness on the cheeks. I think that's very important now. Like I've never done it, but like now it's important. Okay, so we're gonna go in with this little bitty brush right here, and we're gonna go back in with that. We got that chocolate brown, and we're gonna chisel the nose. But just light enough, because bitches do too heavy and then it doesn't even look good anymore. So yeah, there we go. Oh, this looks really, y'all, this looks really good up close. This is just how to contour and highlight. This isn't like a full face, you know, of makeup that I would do and go out with, because this, you know, this isn't like a full look. This is just, you know, certain things that I'm showing you guys. So what do you think? Make sure you leave a like and comment in the description box down below. Y'all see that? Why is it creasing right there? I'm gonna have to give Fit Me like a 5, because why is it creasing? We'll never know. Anyway, so next video I'm going to be showing you guys well, new videos coming out with hair tutorials, products to use for your hair, transitioning and starting over from a big chop that I've been using to grow my hair. So stay tuned for that video. It's coming out next week. This video should be dropping this weekend, and make sure you watch my other videos just to see the comparison and difference of what I used to do and what I do now. So we're out, got a space. See you guys on the next video.